You can build a website in less than 30 minutes. I'm going to show you how today. Welcome to Rhythm and Revenue, where we regulate the body, leverage AI, and build wealth without the burnout. I'm Lauren, the Hula Empress, and around here, we move first and then we make money moves. For today's movement prompt, we are going to do some forward fold stretches. So you're going to extend your feet pretty wide and you're going to bring your hoop up towards the ceiling and you're going to take a deep breath in and exhale as you fold over. Inhale back up. Exhale, fold over. Inhale back up. Exhale, fold over. And we're going to bring it back up. And we're exhaling, bringing the feet together, lowering the hoop down. And we're going to take 3 cleansing breaths. Actually, we should have started with that. So we're going to inhale the hoop up. And exhale, release. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Inhale up. Exhale, release. So today I want to show you how to build a website in less than 30 minutes using AI. And the platform that we're going to use today is called Lovable. So on Lovable, you can make landing pages for anything that you can think of, whether it be a lead magnet, an event page, a product page, a place where you just gather information from someone, a place where you may want to create something interactive for your customers to partake in so that you're capturing their lead information. Anything that you could think of for a landing page, you are able to do that on Lovable. So today I want to go over how to do that using prompts. And if you're not familiar with prompts are a series of statements, whether it be a few sentences or paragraphs or pages that you plug into whatever AI that you are using, and it will yield you results based upon what you are given the AI platform. So today we're going to use Lovable. So we're going to go over to, I'm going to share my screen so we can go over to Lovable AI. The website that I'm going to build today is going to be for my 40th birthday bundle. So in this birthday bundle, I want people to be able to come on, learn more about the offer that I will have, and allow them to be able to purchase the offer through this site. Okay, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to say, I need a high converting website for my 40th birthday bundle. Here's what's in, and then I'm going to let it know, and then I'm going to let it know what's included in the bundle. So access to Purple Circle. And that includes live monthly classes. It's also going to include a custom collapsible hula hoop, custom waist speeds, and 40 movement prompts. Now, the cap on this is going to be 40 participants. So I'm going to say there is a cap on amounts of purchases, 40. And then I want the colors to be purple, gold, and white. And then let's see. Hmm. What else do I want to add here? Add a picture of me. Change my outfit into a nice purple outfit. Keep my facial features the same. Pricing, I wanted to, so this is a value of 279, or actually 297. And I am, no, I'm so sorry. 197. And we're taking $40 off. Okay, so I'm gonna add a picture of me, and then we're gonna see what it yields us here. And now that we have everything we need, we're gonna hit send. And then this process here takes about maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So again, when you're creating with AI, you are able to just put a series of prompts into the system, and it's going to give you back your results. Now, Lovable and many other platforms, they go off of credits. So credits means how many times you're entering in a prompt, that's going to take a prompt. So right now I actually have 183.2 prompts in Lovable. So if I put in 183 prompts just to build his website, then all of my prompts are going out. Will either have to purchase, or I think the free version gives you like maybe 5 credits a day or something like that. But so far, I've built a few websites, and what I've noticed is that, it can probably it ranges. For me to build a site is between 10 to 20 credits, so that I am getting it the way I want to get the site. So, matter of fact, as we're waiting, I am going to show you some sites that I built. So I built this site for a beautiful sister that is based here in Tampa. And she's a yoga and Reiki practitioner, Liv Maria, and she wanted somewhere where her clients can come and book a session with her, see her offerings as well. And we did that, exactly that. So here you're able to go through, see her offerings, and you can actually book a session with her. You can get to her calendar and schedule whatever you need to, pick your date and your time to get scheduled with her. Okay, so pretty nice. Got her weekly offerings, also her gallery showing her in her essence as well. So that is one site. Then I also did one for a realtor. Beautiful realtor, sign in with Sai. And she wanted somewhere where her clients can come and fill out her buyer form, which is a questionnaire that she has. And she wanted to make the process easier. So this is how her buyers are able to come in and place their information so she can learn more about them. Also, we have, just in general, where you can schedule a consultation with her, whether it be, if you're a buyer, seller, or showing requests. It looks like the Lovable site is now complete. So I'm going to share my screen and go back to Lovable. All right, so let's check it out. Oh, okay, Lovable. Let me find out. Only 40 available. So it changed my outfit to purple like I asked it to, but I actually want some hoops or something on here. And it did, how did it? Oh, okay, that is right. All right. So here where I asked it to say, what is my bundle? And I wanted it to have a cross out where it shows how much this normally costs and how much they're saving. And then also letting them know what's inside of this membership when you come in. So yeah, but it's not given. Yeah, it's not given, birthday. So in general, this took us what? Maybe 5 minutes to get this site up. But again, this is where the credits come in, your creativity comes in, and you are putting together more of what you want your site to look like. So for me, I will probably want to make it a little bit more fun, and I probably want to add more, add some hoops to it, and yeah, just make it more like me, embed me into the AI. So pretty simple, pretty easy. And then what I'm going to have it do is once this link here is going to connect to my actual website. So I actually still have an actual website on Wix. So I want to create a pay link to my Wix site where people can come in and access the birthday bundle. Um, Now you don't necessarily have to have a website. So you can collect payments through Stripe. You can connect payments through PayPal. There's a variety of ways that you can connect your website to your offer. So if you are, on a budget and you don't want to have a website, then this will be, a perfect way to act. That will be a perfect way to access that. So let me know how you enjoyed this video. If you learned a lot and you're going to build your own site, then let me know in the comments. Drop the word site in the comments, SITE, if you're going to try out this easy AI to help you build whatever landing page, a website that you need. If you need assistance with building your site, if you feel like you just don't get it and you need a little bit more help, I do offer one-on-one sessions where I can actually walk you through the process of how to build your site. I also have an option where you can purchase the prompt and I give you exactly what you need to say and plug into the Lovable, but you just put in the details like what colors you want, pictures, things like that, and then you edit from there. So if all that is just not for you and you want me to do it for you completely, I can help you do that as well. So check out the link in my description to learn more about my services. And thank you so much for being here. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.